Quality of talent is the #1 driver of company performance, and recruiting is the #1 most impactful HR function. Better hiring results in better performance, lower turnover, higher morale, and lower costs. However, across organizations, the recruiting process can run into the same bottlenecks, with thousands of resumes to parse, dozens of interviews to schedule, feedback to gather, and long offer approval processes to follow. What if we could make simple improvements to the recruiting process to create huge wins for hiring? This is where TalentBot shines. TalentBot makes it easy for your teams to review candidates, schedule interviews, and submit interview feedback from anywhere using Slack or other collaboration tools. So let's say my team's looking to hire a graphic designer. Here are the job details for this role in Greenhouse, our ATS of choice for this exercise. TalentBot will keep an eye out for applications through Greenhouse, and when an application is submitted, send a notification to me, the hiring manager, in real time in Slack. TalentBot shares the application details and a link to the candidate's resume, which I can click on to learn more about the candidate. Let's say this candidate is not a good fit based on the resume. I can reject the candidate and share why I rejected the candidate, and all of this is captured in Greenhouse automatically. Another candidate applies for the same role, and after looking at his resume, I'd like to move forward with him. I can simply press the Advance to Phone Interview button to move Jordan Clark to the next stage. Moving the candidate forward in the interviewing process creates a separate channel for that candidate and automatically brings in the recruiter and the hiring manager. We also have the option to add additional interviewers to the channel to give them context and get them up to speed with interview progress. TalentBot pulls the interviewers directly from Greenhouse under the Interviewers section and maps the Slack user IDs to add them to the interview panel with a click of a button. So let's add Alvin. Now let's schedule the interview. I'll pick a date that both Alvin and I have decided on, and it will be set up in both Greenhouse and on Google Calendar. TalentBot also includes a link to the candidate's information and the interview kit in Greenhouse in the calendar invite itself. Fast forward to the day of the interview. The interview's over, and I went back to my day-to-day work and completely forgot to enter my feedback for Jordan in Greenhouse. TalentBot will send a reminder for my scorecard, which I can easily access through the provided link in Slack. Now, recruiters no longer need to chase down hiring managers and interviewers for feedback. TalentBot can connect to any ATS, like Greenhouse, Taleo, Jobvite, and iCIMS. Build your dream team with ease and get collaborating faster. This is only one of the thousands of ways we use automation here at Workato to make every day more amazing than the last. Discover how you can use the power of automation to improve experiences for your employees, customers, and everyone in between. Request a demo today to get started.